So we were talking about the cap for the last couple of days, whether or not it would hold or not. And if it didn't, we would probably see those storms erupt. This is some archived radar, and it shows just that. That cap held, that front tried. Eventually, the front broke the cap, and you can just see that area of expansive, rapid development of thunderstorms. Did produce some severe weather in parts of Scott County. We did have that one warning out there. That's what it looks like on radar, but you can also see what it looked like from Ozark looking back off towards the south. This was taken by Amanda McQuaid, and you can see those thunderstorms just lifting, billowing up, breaking that cap. And once that happens, all bets are off. You've got severe weather, and we saw that out there. Thankfully, it happened as it exited our viewing area, and the impacts here were relatively low. We did have a morning round of storms earlier. Just asked the folks in Johnson County, look at this hail. This was taken by Mitzi Lazenby in Clarksville. Weird spikes all along these hailstones there. Really strange hailstones there. It was large, too, around the size of golf balls there in Johnson County. Let's talk about tomorrow. The entire viewing area under that yellow level 2 risk for severe storms. The thing I want you to know about tomorrow's weather forecast, it's not going to be wet or rainy all day long. In fact, most of the day is likely going to be dry. We'll start our futurecast here at 8 o'clock in the morning. Got some sunshine out there. Temperatures are going to be mild, 60s and 70s. By lunchtime, still a little bit of sun here and there. Temperatures warming up into the 70s and 80s. We'll get close to 90, if not in the 90s across parts of the river valley by 4 o'clock. More clouds building in later in the day. And then by tomorrow evening, say around 4, 5, 6 o'clock, we'll look off towards the southwest. There's probably going to be some area of thunderstorms getting closer to us. Looks like they're going to roll into East Oklahoma as early as about 7 o'clock, maybe closer to 8, 9. Those moving into the West Arkansas. Latest futurecast here kind of breaks some of those up, not moving many into Northwest Arkansas. I don't entirely buy that just yet. I do think we'll have some impact in Northwest Arkansas tomorrow evening. We'll see what the future model runs hold for that. When it comes to the storm field, we talked a lot about that out there today. It's pushing off towards the east, is decreasing. We're going to be in A-OK shape tonight. Notice what happens tomorrow as we see that daytime heating. Sunshine's going to really jazz up that atmosphere once more. There's more storm fuel, mostly located in the river valley south of I-40. There is some respectable fuel there in Northwest Arkansas, so we'll have to watch for severe storms once again. Tomorrow's risk primarily for hail and wind. Tornado threat, it's not zero, but it's there. For Sunday, you've also got a level 2 potential here in yellow for about half the viewing area. Level 1 in green, certainly the better odds way off towards the northwest of Tulsa and parts of north central Oklahoma. Got the Sunday risk, but we really want to focus in on Monday into Tuesday. This big trough of low pressure, it's actually the culprit for all these different disturbances moving through the area. It's finally going to get its act together, but it's not going to go out without a bang. It's going to be a negatively tilted trough, and we care about the tilt, whether it's positive or negative. Think about it like this. A softball player or a baseball player sliding into home plate. When they slide, there's more force, right? Therefore, there's going to be more force in the atmosphere given this trough's going to be negatively tilted. I say all of that to say this. The severe weather parameters for Monday, especially Monday night into Tuesday, a little bit higher than what they're going to be tomorrow and Sunday. Let's stay weather aware, certainly over the next several days. Your allergy report shows we are sneezing, all for a good reason. Trees, mold, grass. That's not going to get any better, unfortunately, anytime soon. Hedberg Allergy and Asthma Clinic taking these air samples today. Weeds still there in the low category. Your 10-day forecast looks like this. Chance of rain tomorrow, 60%. Keep in mind, most of that's in the evening, into the overnight hours. 40% chance of showers and storms on Sunday. Monday, we'll really want to focus on that weather potential late in the day, into the overnight hours. I think wrapping up early Tuesday morning. Behind that system, as it pulls out of the area, look at those temperatures come down. It's going to be cool. 50s in the mornings, low 70s, mid 70s in the afternoon. Some sunshine Wednesday, Thursday, and then maybe a bit more busy of an active weather pattern going into the following weekend.